I can't play.
You are playing an instrument. You're playing the second most important instrument.
Percussion.
Is the second most important. The essential is the voice. That is, but the original instrument is percussion.
Yeah, I ain't got no voice either.
Okay, yeah, you do. Everybody does, but you never trained it.
No, I never have.
You know, like him and I were talking, some of our favorite people's voices are shitty. Neil Young's voice is so screwed up.
Bob Dylan, they say, doesn't have a good voice, but I like him.
I love him.
But they built it.
Really, Bob Dylan.
I don't like my voice, and it turns out that 99% of all performers don't like their voice, and almost everybody who ever hears a mediocre recording of their voice will not like it.
Right. Do you like Hurricane? You did Hurricane? Hurricane, Bob Dylan? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
But even if a person thinks they can't sing, if they can lip sing, that really makes me happy. Because then it helps me remember the words.
You don't know Hurricane by Bob Dylan, do you? That's a
No, but I know Hurricane by Neil Young.
Neil Young, yes.
Right.
Yeah, Neil Young. I just heard it yesterday.
All right, I'm going to try, but dude,
Yeah, it's all right.
I'll be right here.
I know how to play it. Singing it is the problem. But I'm going to do one little pinch to show you guys how much I love that song. Because I love that song.
Okay.
I might even do a pinch and a half. That song is so cool, man. Oh. And I like the way it's going in half time with that double windmill thing. I don't know how to describe it, but... Once I thought I saw you in a crowded, hazy bar, dancing on the light from star to star. Far across the moonbeams, I know that's who you are. I saw your brown eyes turning once to fire. You are like a hurricane, there's calm in your eyes, and I'm getting blown away somewhere safer where the feeling stays. I wanna love you, but I'm getting blown away. Just a dreamer, and you are just a dream, and you could have been anyone to me. Before that moment you touched my lips, that perfect feeling when time just slips away between us on our foggy trip. But I'm getting blown away. That guy could sing that song all day.
Yeah,